That didn't work.
Can I try?
You can try.
Is it slippery?
Yeah, I can see all the algae on it.
Ah!
Don't stop now, I'm right behind you. I'm not getting wet.
Oh, there it is. Where?
Right there it is.
That's the tree right there.
There's the cache. I see the cache now, it's hanging way down. It's not even where it should be. It's not where it should be.
Farther than Daddy! Can I go there, Jose?
Oh, I'm going that way. This one's already wet.
I don't think I can walk past that.
It's not very deep.
Okay, guys, I gotta cross!
Are you carrying me?
Yeah. Jessica, just come this way. You got boots on. Oh. Yeah, that is a long ways up.
Yeah, you're looking about 20 feet up, probably. 20 feet to that first branch.